Hey, man, hey! What are you good at?
Well, I guess I'm good at riding dirt bikes.
What can I get good at?
You can get good at getting out of the way!
All right, gonna get good at that.
Get good at that.
All right, so we're having just a little bit of fun. This is actually Jody, he's my brother-in-law, but he has been riding dirt bikes since he was 5 years old. Jody, how's it going?
It's going good.
Cool, man. All right, so tell me about your bike. What you got here, like a Honda? See that your bike is green, which means it's Kawasaki. Let the good times roll. Gooey light on that. Tell me about this one.
So it's a 1992 KX 250. This is a rebuild replica of the one I used to race on here, the local scene in Texas, back whenever I was about 17, 18 years old.
So tell me the process you went through to make this bike.
Found it for sale up in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Went up there, bought it. Wasn't in good shape at all. Once I got it home, tore it apart and totally rebuilt every single thing on this bike. Had the frame powder coated. Went through the engine, the transmission. I took it all apart, totally rebuilt the engine, and then got new plastics for it. Went through the whole thing, new wheels, new tires, and just basically updated the bike to what you see here. It's basically a brand new bike from the ground up.
Was this your racing number?
Yeah. It's not a pro number or anything like that. It's just a number that.
But that's the one you had on your bike. Like,
yes,
you made this look like your bike was.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to rebuild?
1 year. Took me 1 year to build this. I got a huge box, and whenever I was taking things apart, I would get Ziploc bags and write down exactly what it was, and then I would put that bolt and nut in there and drop it in the box. And it is easy to lose parts whenever it goes throughout a year. Yep.
What was the hardest part?
Taking the engine apart and putting it back together, because it was the first time I ever did it.
Oh!
Yeah. Splitting the cases, having all these springs and gears and mechanisms and things like that. As I take it apart, like, there's no way I'm gonna get this back together.
My fear would be I'd slowly pull it apart and someone would shoot. You know, you pull it out, and you're just
that has happened to me so many times.
All right, so here's the scenario. Zombie apocalypse. You've just been running through the woods for your life, and you come across this. Now, how do you start it and get on it and get out?
First things first, come down here, turn the gas on. There it says off and on. Turn it to on. Push the choke down to engage it. Throw your leg over it. Kick start out, and then give it a kick. So in order to ride the dirt bike, you have to know what all the parts are. So this is the shifter. Work your way up to the clutch. This is the kill switch. Front brake, throttle, and over here, back brake. Let's go over the gear shifter first. So the proper foot placement, whenever you want to downshift, pressing down on it. Whenever you want to upshift, put your foot under it and pull up on it. To find neutral, you first find first gear, which is all the way down where it won't go anymore, and then pull up like a half a click. That's different than whenever you switch into second gear, which is a full click. So you've started the bike, now you need to get out of here, pull in the clutch, put it down into gear, give it a little bit of gas, and slowly let out on the clutch.
I want to take a moment to say please subscribe and tell everybody you know about this channel. Every time you subscribe, it is more powerful than you may understand. It bumps my channel up to the top. It gives me more privileges and more options. So please, please subscribe. And that is how you get good at that.
Get good at that.
And that is how you get good at that. And that, I'm not good at that.